Hello students, welcome to the next session of Open Elective course Air Pollution Control Techniques. Course code is 2CHOE02. Today's session we are going to cover control of specific gaseous pollutant and we will talk about control of oxides of sulfur. The objective of today's session is to demonstrate an understanding of basic principles, construction and working of various control techniques or methods used to control specific gaseous pollutant emitted by stationary sources of air pollution by successfully completing the revocations at the end of the topic. In the last session, we have talked about control of gaseous pollutant using different methods like absorption, adsorption, flaring or combustion, and we have gone through with various kind of your options whereby we can either control or we can recover certain pollutants from that respective polluted stream. In today's session, we will talk about control of specific gaseous pollutant. We will start with control of oxides of sulfur. Besides burning of coal, sources of sulfur emissions includes petroleum refining, oil and gas production, sulfur and sulfuric acid manufacturing, ore smelting, waste incineration and petroleum coke calcining. Sulfur emissions as a source of air pollution can be avoided by using process that removes sulfur from coal before it burns. Same way, we will analyze various fuels and we will try to find out solution at the source using reduction of sulfur from the fuel itself. We will talk about different control technologies, that is dry and wet form of control methods in this session. At the end of this session, you will able to learn and describe the basic principle, construction and working of each control techniques used to control gaseous emission generated by stationary sources. You will able to recognize suitable techniques and describe their operation, how they remove specific gaseous pollutants, what are the factors that affecting this collection efficiency, and you will able to understand advantage, limitations and its industrial application for respective method. With this, I welcome you all for the next session. Thank you.